Welcome to this 10-minute guided meditation. This is an opportunity for you to take a break from your daily routine and give yourself some time to relax and connect with your inner self. Find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed, sit or lie down comfortably, and let's begin. Start by taking a deep breath in and slowly exhaling. Do this a few more times, focusing on your breath, and letting go of any tension you might be holding in your body. Now, bring your attention to your body. Starting from your feet, slowly scan your body, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. If you notice any tension, breathe into that area and imagine the tension melting away with each exhale. As you continue to focus on your breath, imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding your body, starting from the top of your head and slowly moving down towards your feet. This light is healing and calming, and it helps to release any negative thoughts or emotions. Allow your mind to settle down and become calm. If you notice your thoughts wandering, gently bring your focus back to your breath. You can repeat a simple mantra, such as "I am calm, I am peaceful," to help keep your mind centered. Imagine yourself in a peaceful, natural setting, such as a forest or a beach. Use your senses to imagine the details of this setting, the sounds, the smells, the textures. Allow yourself to feel a deep sense of relaxation and contentment. Now, bring your attention to your heart center. Imagine a warm, glowing light in your heart, and allow this light to expand, filling your entire body with love and compassion. As you continue to focus on your breath, imagine yourself in a place of safety and security. You are protected and surrounded by love and light. Take a few moments to visualize any challenges or obstacles you may be facing in your life. Imagine yourself handling these challenges with grace and ease, and see yourself coming out the other side with strength and resilience. Finally, take a few moments to express gratitude for all the blessings in your life. Focus on the people and things that bring you joy and happiness, and allow yourself to feel a deep sense of gratitude and appreciation. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to acknowledge the stillness and peace you've created within yourself. Take this feeling with you as you go about your day, knowing that you can return to this place of calm and inner peace whenever you need it. Thank you for joining me today.